I'm going to show you how to clean the AC unit in your home. Certainly, I'm going to show you how to clean home air conditioning unit easily. And I have method for 5 years to operate my AC unit carefully. Clean this AC with these tools: a paintbrush, scissor, and sellotape. First step is remove front panel. Start by carefully removing the front panel of your air conditioner. And this panel is usually held in place by clips or screws. Gently detach its access to inner components. Then remove dust filter. It's very easy. After the front panel is off, take out the dust filter from your AC. This filter collects dust and debris and needs regular cleaning for optimal performance. One, cover the indoor units to prevent water from seeping into the indoor unit's sensitive components. Cover it securely. You can use plastic or waterproof cover that you this. I use the bicycle cover for this. It's very easy methods. Then cleaning the air outlet, use the brush and vacuum cleaner to clean the air. In this video, the pressure washer. This helps remove and accumulate dust or debris that may block the proper airflow. outdoor unit's air filter with the indoor units is still covered. Use the pressure washer to clean the air filter. Ensure it's truly washed and free any dust or particles that might obstruct air circulation. And cleaning the heat exchanger, this is where the pressure washer comes into the place. Be cautious not to damage any pins or coils. Use the pressure washer to clean heat exchanger carefully, ensuring it's free from the dirt and grease. Cleaning out the unit front fan and the air inlets. Moving to the outdoor units, focus the cleaning the front fan and air inlet. Again, the pressure washer can be used to clean away debris that accumulated on the outdoor units. Cleaning front panel. Lastly, cleaning the front panel you remove in step 1. This will help maintain the overall appearance of your air conditioner. Remember to let the all components dry completely before reassembling your AC. Following these steps will help keep your air conditioner running efficiently and maintain its longevity.